Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Today, I'm talking about potentially millions being wiped out of the stock market and why now could be the perfect time for you to become rich. About a week ago on YouTube Shorts and on our TikTok, if you don't follow us, go ahead and check it out at Morris Money. I talked about Robert Kiyosaki saying that millions could be wiped out of the market. Stocks have plunged, Bitcoin is in the doldrums, and even the recently hot real estate market seems to be cooling down due to the Fed's aggressive rate hikes. While it might be tempting to hide out in cash, Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki believes that this could be the ideal time to get richer. In a recent tweet, Kiyosaki explains how he made a fortune by going against the herd during the Great Recession. 2008 was a great time to get rich. Everything went on sale. Borrowed millions of dollars buying real estate bargains, he writes. The author has also been calling for a major crash. 2013, I published Rich Dad's Prophecy, predicting bigger crash coming. That crash is here. Millions will be wiped out. If you're looking for assets to weather the storm with, here are two potential assets you might want to look at. 1. Silver. The famous author is a longtime advocate of investing in precious metals. Gold and silver have helped investors preserve their wealth for centuries. They can't be printed out of thin air like fiat money, and their value is largely unaffected by economic events around the world. Somewhat true, but take that with a grain of salt. But this time, Kiyosaki is favoriting one over the other, and it has to do with the gold to silver ratio, which simply refers to the number of silver ounces it takes to buy a single ounce of gold. Kiyosaki also prefers silver because of its industrial use. Silver is an industrious precious metal. Gold isn't. The gray metal is widely used in the production of solar panels and is also a critical component in many vehicles' electrical control units. The industrial demand plus the hedging properties makes silver a very interesting asset class for investors. Today's video is sponsored by the subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to Morris Money so you never miss out on the latest stock market news, should you buy videos, should you sell videos, and the latest information on your favorite stocks. So don't forget to subscribe to Morris Money. Another asset class to look at, oil. To be sure, Kiyosaki doesn't exactly claim that silver is immune to current market turmoil. All markets are crashing. Real estate, stocks, gold, silver, Bitcoin, he tweeted last week. Now, again, take this with a little bit of salt, because oil has also been on a somewhat downward trend. It's not necessarily good for your wallet because higher oil prices means you're going to pay more for gas. Of course, if you own investments with exposure to the energy sector, your portfolio in 2022 will probably look better than those without it. The price of crude oil pulled back in recent months, but the price of crude oil is still up 14% year to date. As you'd expect, strong oil prices benefit oil producers. So far this year, investors have enjoyed outsized returns from names like Chevron, up 32%, ExxonMobil, up 50%, and ConocoPhillips, apologize if I butchered that, up 50% this year. That said, investing in commodities, like anything, comes with risks. During this recession, this might all turn back around, but time will tell. But I'm going to leave it to you. What do you think about this? As usual, like I said before, I take this with a grain of salt because Robert Kiyosaki is known for calling out crashes about every other year, and this time he might be right. But there's been plenty of other times where he said the market would crash and nothing happened. So, is this a downtrend? I don't know. But let me know what you think about silver and oil. Are they good hedge inflations for a potential market crash? And are you buying them? If not, let me know what you're buying during this market crash below, and potentially what you're buying to hedge against the market crash. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.